guys, and welcome back to our channel. So,
yeah, welcome back to Bears.
We don't want moving like. Okay, so my mouth is. Are you really out for it, Sean?
No.
What do I do? Oh, the bag. Oh, the bag. Okay. You think I want single one? You think I want single one drop and I go for it?
That would be the plan. That's alright.
Me as the chip chop and then me see push it down there. I'm like, one single chip? You're really out? Crash the car just one single chip?
Hungry?
I talk on my when I drop too. So we are going on a trip in a little rocket ship. We are going to Runaway Bay, guys, for our what, Sean?
Anniversary.
Which anniversary?
Honeymoon.
We're going on our honeymoon, guys. We didn't have a honeymoon, so we're having a honeymoon. Oh, sorry. Wow, I was drinking ginger beer, so it's making me burp. So we're going to Villa Sonate. I love to say that name. Villa Sonate.
That sounds so wrong.
Sonate.
Villa Sonate.
Yes, Villa Sonate.
You know that name?
But the kids are with us, guys.
Guys, hear this. They call it Runaway Bay, and we don't live at a bay, and we're running away from it. That doesn't make any sense.
We're running away to the bay.
Exactly.
Nobody ain't running away.
So, guys, you will see us when we reach down there. So you're coming on our anniversary with us, guys. We're all married.
After how much years? After 15 years.
16 years.
Now 16.
Yeah. After 16 years, we finally going on. Sean, Pato. We're finally going on an anniversary. Wow, we're weird.
I don't know. Wedding. An anniversary later.
What? Honeymoon, sorry. Almost anniversary. After 16 years. Exactly.
Honeymoon passes. Stage of pass long time.
I don't honeymoon anymore. Where be now?
She ain't not honey anymore. Wife, you know.
No man, I sugar now. A sugar bun. We've moved from honey to raw sugar. So you will see us down there, guys. I have a tongue twisting moment a while ago. You guys ever see anything in my teeth I was eating, so don't judge me. So guys, we are now in Runaway Bay. It was raining.
Drinks outside? Okay, we have a reservation.
Afternoon, hello.
Here, Junior. Yeah, man, that's right.
Thank you.
No, I'm not funny. Yeah. Okay, alright, no problem. Yeah, man.
Guys, all of a sudden I'm feeling the heat. Thank you, sir. Face out. I'm feeling it. Oh, look at those cats on the veranda over there. Right here?
Yeah, right.
Okay. Thank. And we were just talking to them on the phone a while ago. Okay. Oh. Okay.
Hello. How you
Good
doing?
afternoon.
I was calling you on this
Yes.
So we were the one holding up your time on the phone.
Yes.
But actually him, not me.
You can't take directions. Never seen it.
So guys, we are here. We're in the office. Or the front desk,
I
Trishan.
might know she's doing her vlog for her YouTube channel.
Alright, preparing. I'm not quite sure.
Repeat that for me? Yes, it should be done already.
Instead.
Coming up, it starts at 5.
Repeat that for me?
Dinner, it starts at 5.
Okay.
Ends at about 7:30.
Okay.
Earlier the better.
Do you mind being on
Or-
camera? Do you mind being on camera?
Doing what then? No problem.
Okay, do you want to say hi to everybody on YouTube?
I don't go on no Facebook, no Twitter, no TikTok, nothing like that.
Okay. The kids are actually in the
Alright, for breakfast, it starts at 7 in the morning and ends at 10.
7 to 10. Okay.
For the Wi-Fi password, it's at the back of the card, it's capital V, capital S, and it's 1 word.
Thank you. And thank you.
Thank you very much.
Alright.
Then the outside.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around.
What's wrong?
That's so tall.
Now you put on this load back way? Never realized.
No one will.
Everybody wake up now. Maya, you're awake? Hmm? Give me a hand, Maya. Okay, that's what it says. Jamai, don't walk in the water. Come over this side, Jamai. Come, follow Daddy. Hmm? Go, Jordan. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is lovely, guys. This is really nice. Where's the light? Wow. So let me give it a tour, guys. The grand tour. Look at that. That's lovely. Really lovely. And I was told that every room was named after a plant. Yeah. This is not our new home. It's a hotel. We're just staying here for a while. This is the bathroom, guys.
Oh my gosh, love it.
Oh, nice. Closet area. The amenities. Yeah.
Okay, door.
Yes, Charlie. So this is a kids' room. So this is a kids' room, guys. That door leads to the balcony. Open, let me see it, Sean. Top lock. Overlooking outside.
What's over there?
Mm-hmm.
There's so many good cookies.
You're going to the bar when you finish on it?
To the what? Asking if I'm going to the bar. I'm finished. They have their TV. Look at that design, guys. That's nice. And now
And we have a drink.
you have a drink. So you have drink and snack. Okay, these are a coffee or something. Jamaican Blue Mountain blended coffee. And cups for tea and water. Here, Sean, put on their bands. So they give us 5 bands. Put on their bands. And they started watching TV already. No, this is me. So me and Mr. Pierre we're in blue. Sean, look. Both of us wearing blue. Turn around. Turn around. We're wearing blue. And this door leads to our room. Okie dokie. So they're all the same with double beds, 2 single beds. We could just push them together when we're ready. Let me put my bag down, guys. Okay, so we have the closet here. This leads to outside. We have the same. Coffee and stuff over here, and tea, and the bathroom. Guys, we are getting welcome juice from this lovely gentleman. You want to say your name on camera?
Runaway Bay.
Okay, and the juice are looking lovely. So thank you very much, Mr. Hogarth.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Hello, how are you?
Hold this. Thank you. Sean, we got welcome juice.
You got snacks. Mommy, this is exactly.
Oh yes, guys, this is really nice.
Mommy,
Yeah. Want to drink it now? Use a straw. Use a straw. Come, hold on. I'm coming.
show me.
Room service.
You're not asking me really where I want it. So I was telling them that this is nice, guys.
Yeah.
I could be.
It's really nice.
I'm a bit. What? Did we bring the iron?
Yeah, but
There's iron.
yeah, you have a gun with you? You can put it in the chest.
Turn on the AC in your house. Turn on, leave it. So yes, guys, we're gonna get out of these clothes and take a shower because we're hot. And then we'll see you guys. We're gonna go for dinner at what, 5 o'clock?
I'm not hot.
Huh?
I'm not hot.
You're not hot?
I'm okay.
You're okay? We
I'm
still have
hot.
to change. You're hot?
I'm hot.
Yes, so 5 o'clock is dinner, guys. So we're gonna shower.
Mommy,
Yeah.
why is the paint not on?
Yes, guys, we're gonna shower and get out of these clothes, and then we'll get back to you.
Mommy, gonna go to.
So, guys, we are all fresh now. We took a bath. We took a shower actually, and now we're all fresh. Now we are going to dinner. Dinner's supposed to be at 5. So why are you doing your hand like this? It's a style. So he's in red. I'm in pink. Why are you not wearing pink?
Nonsense.
You should be wearing pink like me. If I'm in pink, you should be in pink. We are all called the Pinkers.
We're ones in the color you know what I mean?
So I'm in red, then I'm in pink.
Yeah.
The kids are watching something. I don't know what they're watching.
The world is turning black and white because someone on Earth.
So Jamaya is here. What are you doing, Jamaya? Say hi.
Hi.
You're hungry? Jamaya is hungry. She want to go for dinner.
Instance of a space-time disruption being unleashed was
Say
in
hi.
1863.
Say hi, Jordan. Say hi. Justin.
Hi.
So they're all hungry. We are all hungry now, guys. So we're gonna go for dinner. So guys, now we're in the dining area. We're gonna have dinner. What's wrong with you? Why? Come guys. Come, Jamaya. Huh? Okay. Get up, Jordan. You're not gonna sit there. Thank you. Come guys, where's Jamaya? Go and sit. Jessica, sit beside Jamaya. Jordan, sit beside Justin. Come Jamaya, come right here. I guess I'm going to come sit beside you. Jessica, you can go put it up somewhere. So what are you saying now? For dinner?
Yeah, so for dinner we'll be having curry goat and barbecue chicken.
So it's curry goat and barbecue chicken. Okay.
So the kids then get chicken and we get curry goat and chicken.
Okay.
I want popcorn.
Jordan said she want. Jordan said
I
we
wanted
want.
to get curry the first day. I wanted to get curry.
You're gonna get curry gravy, I guess.
What is my eating?
Sweetie. Jordan said you want popcorn chicken. Isn't that KFC, Jordan? So we're the only one having dinner?
We're the only one here.
Really? We're the only one on property? We're so lucky. We're so fortunate.
So that means a good place for us.
Yeah. We're so fortunate. We're the only one here, guys. But it's nice. I'm gonna give you a tour tomorrow when we wake up. Because after dinner, we're going straight in the room. We're gonna get some relaxation. Well, the kids are not gonna go. They're gonna watch telly or whatever. They're gonna watch some cartoon or some movie or so. But Jose and I will just go relax, yeah? Yes, baby. Yes, you're fortunate. You're confused, Maya. No, you have your water also. So you're not confused anymore. Thank you.
Just a minute. She said she wants some of the cardboard again. Will you like some of it?
No, you and you, no curry goat.
You don't do them 2 years. Just the 2.
I want chicken nuggets.
There's no chicken nuggets, Jamaya. Cover your mouth, you're coughing. What is this? What is that?
Some Jamaican.
Pause it, pause it.
Or something.
Thank you.
Knife. I don't know how to use a knife.
You don't know how to use a knife? It's alright, you can use a fork alone.
I know what they know how to
Say your prayer, Justin, and eat. Say your prayer. Say your prayer, Jamaya, and
I
eat.
see my phone.
Thank you. Wow, look at that, guys.
That's what I'm doing.
Hmm?
I'm gonna knife. Do that, Mommy?
Yes, want to help you, Maya? You can help yourself?
Yeah, just do this.
Oh, you're a big girl. You're gonna use a knife? Sit over some more. Come over some more. Sit over. Sean, look at Maya. She's been using it the wrong way. This is beautiful. So the first thing you're going for is the meat. Alright, you know what? You don't use this. Don't use this. No, you can't manage this. Just use the fork. Sit back. Sit over. Sit over. Jamaya, stop it. Sit over like this. Eat the rice, Jamaya. Everything. You say the prayer? Say your prayer. Close it. You say your prayer?
Yeah.
Okay. Jessica, say the prayer. Pray.
I see my phone.
You say the prayer?
I already did pray.
I'm gonna pray.
I want to taste the meat.
So guys, we're gonna have our dinner. And then you'll see us again.
I begin to
It's so special, boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh. You're mine for sure.
Yes. We can bring this to the room? Yeah. Alright, thanks. Try and bring that here. Thank you very much for dinner. It was yummy.
Yeah, love you. Thanks.